Hi guys, this is Drew from ZP Reviews. I'm coming in for another video in our Amazon services playlist, and what I would like to talk about first, right? If you come to this video, is you're looking to do your giveaway, or you're looking to advertise your product beyond PPC. Now, I will say this: PPC is necessary no matter what. However, if you've been reading and watching plenty, you'll know that Amazon favorably looks at external traffic. They love it because that means someone that's not on their platform is now on their platform. So you get a nice boost when you do ads or you bring eyes from elsewhere. The issue is that when you use a giveaway, they don't really become your customer, because as soon as someone just buys on Amazon, they're not really your customer, they're Amazon customers. But when you create a landing page and you get their email or some information from them, they do become your customer. And then, why is that important, right? Unlike PPC, you can get more value from that person over and over. So you can basically get somebody that you might have paid $1 or $2 to connect with, right? So you're paying for ads, but once you have them, you don't pay again. Yet that person may spend money on your product, they may give you a review, they may buy other products, they may tell other people about your products, which is even more important. And then furthermore, if that person's visible, you start getting more brand recognition the more of these people you get. So it's really it's definitely, to me, that's a better alternative than just losing them forever and then not being able to make more money off of it. Because that's the issue with PPC, is that you run PPC, but the only way you get more money for your dollar is if that person buys more products from the click. And that's why external traffic's crazy. So let me get into ClickFunnels. I'm going to transition here. So here's the GUI, and it's pretty simple. I can honestly say, when I first looked at it, I thought this was going to be hell on earth, very difficult. Nope. It's drag and drop. It's as easy as pie. So in this case, this is actually our funnel. We just kind of put dummy information in here. But as you can see, it's simple. And more importantly, you're just seeing the desktop. This is what you really see. It's mobile. Everything mobile optimized, because that's where sales are happening. And literally, we come in here, you start out with like a section, but you just add a section, right? And then add new road. You want 1 column, 2 columns. You can put one in here, and then you can choose from any of these things. So you can add most of the important things that you need in a sales funnel. And that's, to me, that is the software. It's crazy. You can put anything, and it's literally as simple as just dragging and dropping. Oh, didn't quite get it, but say put an image there, and then you would go in and add the image, or you upload or whatever. That said, why do you want to use this landing page? And it's the email, right? So yeah, you could easily just put all of this information on Facebook and just say, here's the ad, and then do some tomfoolery to give them the actual coupon code. Or you could use this method, get their email, and once you've got their email, you can not only give them the coupon code, but you can follow up for the review, follow up for new products, follow up for new just proposals, because you could have a product that you could buy more than one of, right? And if you have something like that, or if you say you're in a subscribable product, this becomes even crazier, because you end up with the possibility of getting more money for the dollar spent. So we'll just show it, just so I can show how this would work. So we'll just put in my email address, Mr. Peterson, and then boom, right? And you come to the next page in the funnel, which it's pretty easy to create the different pages. It's so simple. And then there you go. They get their code. I give them a little timer saying, "Hey, you're gonna run out of time. Get it now." They teach you little things. It's real simple. I have my super URLs right here and here, and as soon as they click it and they have their code, this now goes for it'll go. The one that I use is it sends them to my storefront with the keyword. If you're interested in that tool, It's through Helium 10. I think you have to be signed up to use it. I'm not sure, but really cool tools in Helium 10. I'll leave a link below. But yeah, you can, it's that simple. And in fact, if you guys, I'll be honest, if you get ClickFunnels, I can give you this funnel for free. Just leave a comment below if you're interested in that. But it's that simple. Look at this. This isn't much. You know, you look at the front end and the back end, Amazon flash sales, simple stuff. But do you know this thing converts like hell? And all you got to do is just put your pictures, your information, and then you're good to go. I wish I had it, because you go on to ClickFunnels, you can buy funnels from them, and the one they had for Amazon was like $300, and then we were like, that's ridiculous. So if you want this funnel for free, definitely click the link below, and I can definitely send it to you. But yeah, when you pay for the $97 option, you get, I think, 20 funnels, but you really only need one or two. But compare paying $97 to potentially $200, $300, $400 for the these viral launch ZonJump. I mean, they work. Say if you didn't have any marketing experience, like I said earlier, those are great for you, because if you don't want to go through and do any of this work, it's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and transition. But this, to us, it's much better. And if you're really clever, you can bake in other ways to make money through this as well. And I think that's where we were just like, man, we need to keep it, because it just keeps getting better and better. And you know, I didn't get into business as a fashion statement. I got into business to make some money and hopefully provide some value in the term. So I hope you guys like this. If you're interested in ClickFunnels, definitely check the description for a link. And this is Drew from ZP Reviews. See you later. Thank you for your time.